dead body. It's gone. It vanished.
Well, maybe he was embarrassed. Come on in here. I think you better sit down.
But you don't understand. The body has disappeared.
Whose body was it?
I don't know. A man with a scar. He tried to murder me, but I stabbed him with the needles.
Narcotics, huh?
No, knitting. And, oh, I put him back in the basket. And the poker, too. Or did you do that?
Hey, relax. All we did was get an emergency call on a homicide. We got here, broke in the door with your landlord, and found you unconscious on the kitchen floor. I carried you to the couch.
You carried me?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And you woke up insisting that there's a dead body around here.
Look, I know it sounds strange, but somebody cleaned the place up.
And took away the dead body.
Right. Wait a minute. I've got it. It must have been the albino.
Who's the albino?
He's the one who killed the man with the scar.
You said you killed the man with the scar.
I did, except he killed him after I killed him. See, I didn't really kill him. I just stabbed him with the needles. Right after he heard the cuckoo.